friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are cooking Ewa Agoyin. This is beans and stew. So I have my beans, which I'm going to parboil for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to sieve it out and wash it, then transfer into the pot again to cook until it is tender. If you're in the diaspora and you're craving Ewa Agoyin, please be sure to watch this video to the end. So now I'm going to come in with my onions and garlic. Then we cover it up to cook until the beans is very tender. We cook it very soft because we're going to mix it very well. Then now this is my hot pepper, dried pepper from Africa. I'm adding boiled water to it to soften it. And I'm going to blend it with paprika, onions, and scotch bonnet and ginger. Here I have my oil, palm oil, which is, it has really been so hot. I added my onions to it. I'm going to allow these onions to fry like being crunchy. We have to be stirring it so that we don't allow it to burn. So now I'm going to come in with my blended pepper, as I mentioned. Normally, I'm supposed to use this dried tatase or something, but then I don't get it here. I try to use only this dried pepper, and it came out very, very good. It really had the taste of that Ewa Agoyin that we usually buy back in Africa, you know. So we're going to mix it now. Now, here I had my salt. So now I'm adding my salt and my seasoning, which is oregano, all these spices. I use only spices to cook my food. This is my crayfish, which has been blended. I don't use other seasoning. I only use fish seasoning and crayfish. So I added also black pepper to it. So now we are going to allow this pepper to also fry a little bit. Mix it up. Check for the taste. So now I've prepared my stockfish. I'm cooking it with stockfish and shaki and snail or some other thing you have at home. You can do that. So I'm mixing it up now. Then we allow it to cook until it is dry. You will know when it is dry. The oil in this sauce will come out more. You can see here, it has fried a lot. That is why we can see the oil coming on top of the sauce. So we're going to mix it, and we allow it to fry until your desired preference, you know. So now I think my own sauce is done now. I just need to allow this shaki that I just added to simmer in very well for a few minutes. Then our sauce is ready. You see, there is no water there now. It's really fried very well. And you can see the color has even changed. Like that Agoyin sauce that we used to buy then. So now our beans is ready. We're going to match it now. You can use your hand mixer to match it, or any other thing you have that can make it easy for you to do. So we're going to match it to your preference. You match it to your preference. And then the beans and the sauce will be ready to serve in a minute. I hope this video is useful for you. I hope you've learned one or two things. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, help my channel, subscribe, like the video, share to your... Thank you so much for being here. Now I'm serving it. I'm serving my sauce. The sauce is tasting so good, looking so good. Perfect for the beans. Let me know when you try out the recipe. I'll be glad to hear from you. watch my other. Thank you so much. Thumbs up the video.